Happy Monday, everybody. Okay, so we are in the test room today, and Houston, we have a problem. So we have got two SN2100 Mellanox switches. One is unhappy and the other one's happy, and it's all to do with software version. Something to do with version 4.3. It has the licenses and the activation of the licenses before they went up to version 5. Anyway, bottom of the problem is they've got two different versions of software on there, and one is an earlier release, which is fine for us, and one has a later one, which is a problem for us. Or is it the other way around? Anyway, I can't remember. Anyway, so I'm going to show you the masterpiece Mellanox in a second. But while I'm here, look at this little beauty. Look, Cisco CS Room 55. And that is in absolutely beautiful condition. Look, little asset residue sticker there, so we'll clean that off. And it's got the important panel on there which hides all the cables. A lot of those are missing. It's on the stand. You can get those with wheels, and you can rack mount that. And yeah, we just got to make sure that the it's got no scratches, because if that's got scratches in it, that's an absolute write-off. But anyway, enough about that. Today's video is about this beauty here. Look at that. Okay, so Mellanox. As we know, Nvidia now own Mellanox. I think it was about 5-6 years ago they acquired Mellanox, and this model is a TQ8200, and this one's got the Cumulus software on it, yeah, so this one has come, it obviously came from Nvidia originally. We've got the rail kits with it. What's the story of this? Right, okay, so what we have here, okay, so first introduced in 2014, 2015, this model has got the two low latency, hang on a second, let me just get my notes right. It's got two 100 gig long haul, 40 kilometer ports, and it's got 8, that's a 100 gig port, and it's got 8 200 gig ports, which is for HDR local downlinks. That's what that one is there, and it uses it's got the oh yes, it's an InfiniBand ASIC in this model, and yeah, and Nvidia renamed it Quantum Metro Z, now called the MTQ8200. Anyway, so I'll make a note of these little fan modules, because like we all know, these are top quality switches, but like anything, fans and power supplies go pop on these. So anyway, and I just might have a little look inside and take some photographs, because I'm a bit weird like that. But anyway, just a quick one for the day. If you need any Mellanox, we've started supplying those. Anyway, gotta go. See you on the next one. Bye.